In the United States, 68% of households have pets. That's roughly 85 million families. So what's the point? Why does over half of America take the extra time and money to care for these creatures? And in all we do for them, what does this little guy, and this little guy do for us? Our brains are wired to love. They create oxytocin, a hormone that allows us to love and alleviate stress. When you bond with a pet, your oxytocin level rises, allowing you to become more loving and stress-free. It creates a calm space in your body by lowering your heart rate and slowing your breathing. More pets equals more oxytocin, and more oxytocin means the better you feel. Pets can also help kids with ASD. These kids tend to bond with pets better than they do with humans, making patient pets perfect pets. A recent study put kids with ASD into two groups, those who played with guinea pigs and those who did not, and studied the anxiety levels among the groups. The study showed that kids who played with the guinea pigs had lower anxiety levels and had better social interactions with their peers. Kids with ASD crave tactile stimulation, which is your sense of touch. Petting a cat helps fulfill this need. This is an example. Physical therapy is not only physically, but mentally gruesome. The presence of dogs not only alleviates stress, but motivates patients to make it towards their goals. For example, a patient undergoing physical therapy will walk towards a dog in a room and pet it as their reward, instead of walking towards a simple area inside of a room. The presence of a dog not only improves mood, but also improves the patient's pain ratings. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder affects 6.4 million children in the United States. A recent study put kids in two groups, one that read to dogs and one that read to puppets. The group that read to dogs showed better cooperation, more sharing, and less behavioral problems. Cardiovascular disease is the #1 leading cause of death around the world. It kills 610,000 people every year in the United States alone. The risk of cardiovascular disease decreases when you own a cat or a dog. Owning a pet lowers cholesterol, improving the blood flow in the arteries. A study showed that people in heart failure had a decrease in pulmonary artery pressure when they interacted with dogs, allowing for better blood flow to the lungs. So, what about cats? Owning a cat decreases someone's chance of dying from a heart attack by 40%. And owning a dog encourages exercise. The examples in this video show that owning a pet has its endless benefits. And that's the pet effect.